Guys, hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. Hey, how you doing? And to all my returning subscribers and to all my silent viewers, hey, how you doing? Wagwan guys, wagwan. So today's video we're gonna be doing a it's like a maintenance, but not a maintenance. It's a maintenance for my cousin's party. So it's a get ready with me. Not really a get ready with me. It's a prep for my cousin's birthday dinner. So the girl is turning 27 on the 27th of October. Yeah. So today I'm gonna get my nails done. And then next week I'm gonna get my lashes done, and then I'm gonna get my hair done. So we'll just talk about that. I'll show you guys that, and of course there'll be little things in between and stuff like that, but that's what this video is really going to be about today. If you have not already, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? Don't be stingy. Duh. Alright, so right now I'm getting the boys breakfast ready. And it's looking like I may have to cancel or reschedule my nails appointment because hubby's not feeling well. He's not feeling well. So I may have to reschedule, but I gave him an Advil. Gave him his breakfast and everything, so hopefully give him like another hour or two, he'll be feeling better. I have a slight migraine, but I think I just need to eat. I haven't eaten yet, and I think that's the problem. So yeah, so I'm gonna give him some time, see how he feels, and I'm gonna find out if I need to reschedule or not. And the thing about me rescheduling is that I don't have any other time other than the weekends. In the week, the only time I'm gonna have is like from probably about 3:30 on, and then I'm not gonna be home until maybe about 8-9 o'clock, and he hates that. So I hate it, he hates it. So yeah, that's what I'm right now trying to figure out if that's what we're doing. But let me show you guys what's the breakfast for the day for the boys. Hey guys, hey. So it's Sunday. Last time I talked to you guys yesterday, I told you guys I was gonna get my nails done. Well, that never happened because hubby and I have a stomach bug, some stomach virus or something, and we have been in the toilet and vomiting. So I didn't go anywhere yesterday to go do my nails. It's been really rough. It's been really rough. Taking care of the kids, having to take care of the kids, as well as taking care of yourself, as well as taking care of your partner. It's hard. It's really hard. I want to sleep right now. My head's hurting. My head's hurting. I'm just really out of it. And we just really wish somebody could just take the kids and just let us sleep right now. I'm contemplating calling out for work tomorrow so that I can take an extra day. But then they're not going to school, so it doesn't even make a difference. Calling out makes no difference because they're not going to school. I want to scream. I want to scream. Good afternoon. Welcome to the maintenance part of the vlog. Alright, so I'm on my way to get my nails done, but my nail tech just messaged me and told me that we're gonna be an hour late. So I'm just here finishing work in the car with hubby and the kids, gonna get something to eat. Alright, so today was a long, crazy long day, but I feel like myself again. When your nails get done, you just feel like that girl. When your nails get done, you just feel like that girl. You just feel back to yourself. You just feel back to normal. You just feel like you can take on the world. Like me, I do. But I feel good. I can't wait for you guys to see my cousin's birthday content. I'm really looking forward. We are both really looking forward to the content that we're going to create for her birthday, and we really hope that they go really well. Everything goes as planned. We're looking forward to it. So stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Write it down. Identify your current habits. This is between you, your piece of paper, and Jesus Christ himself, okay? Be real with yourself. This is
So today is lashes and eyebrows day, but of course, but I'll just show no lashes and eyebrows. what is the day? The day has so much more to it than just lashes and eyebrows. So I still have work. The boys, we did not send them to school today because today is movie day, popcorn day at school. And my husband and I, at the current moment, um, some people are gonna say you guys are too overprotective and too da for this, but they're ours, so we're gonna do what's best for them. At the current moment, we do not really we don't give them popcorn at home, so we don't want them to get popcorn at school. Um, so instead of sending them to school where, say everybody else that eat popcorn and they're not gonna eat popcorn, we don't send them. We just give them at home. Are they doing my head in? Just a little bit. Just a little, not a whole lot, but it's a better day today than it usually is, and I'm giving God thanks for that because it's not easy. But today is social media day for my job today, so I'm mostly focusing on social media aspect of things, posting on socials, social media aspect of things, social media manager. So that's what we're doing today. Otherwise, I don't think you guys will be seeing me until later when I have my lashes done. Hoping that you guys are liking the vlog so far. Please remember to like, comment, share. And if you have not already, remember to subscribe, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later when I'm at my lash appointment. I didn't get to vlog inside getting my lashes done and get my content how I wanted to get my content because we were like 30 minutes late. A whole 30 minutes late. Don't blame me. I don't know if it's them to blame, but don't blame me. But yeah, I just stopped in the supermarket. I remembered I needed a conditioner to wash my hair, so I bought the conditioner in the supermarket. I had to settle for a White Rain moisturizing conditioner. I remember the boys needed a toothbrush, so I bought them both toothbrush, and their toothpaste is finished, so I got their toothpaste. And I got them 2 chocolate milk, Monster chocolate milk, got them their 2 chocolate milk. So Jamie, just wait, okay? And I'm trying these for the first time. They taste so good. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry for coming here looking a hot mess. But today we are going to get the hair done, and I'm about to wash it, but I'm cleaning up. Like, my space just feels very unclean. It just feels very not me. So I'm here trying to get it clean. My appointment, so I had to cancel my appointment with my cousin because I don't think I'm gonna make it over Portmore for that time, based on some stuff going on in my life. So I'm gonna have to, the place where I got my nails done, that's where I'm gonna go and get my hair done. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Yes, I'm just cleaning. There's a way in which I really wanted to start this vlog, but things don't happen how you want it to happen. And I don't want to draw this vlog out too much because a part of this vlog is going to be tomorrow, us going to the dinner and everything like that. So I don't really want to make this vlog too long. Yeah. But yeah, just cleaning. Just fed the boys. I'm gonna try to get something to eat, get some tea, get something to eat, and all that good stuff. So when I'm finished, all of that, if I can, when I can, I'll get back to you guys later. All right. Alrighty. Hey guys, so I forgot to check in to let you guys know that I reached to get my hair done. I was late. I don't know what's going on lately. We're in like our lateness era. I don't like it. Don't like it for me. Don't like it at all. But it's been alright. Hey. But yeah, we reach getting my hair done. As you can see, I have the thing there on. I'm hungry. I'm tired. Really want to sleep. This band is squeezing the life out of me. Squeezing. Oh my gosh. Squeezing me. So I have to wait until this dries. Not my friends agree with Silly. Like what? So I just finished my hair. I'm absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. Wait, too close. You guys, my pants burst out. Let's look at what the back is giving. So the back is giving. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. At first, I feel like a side part would have probably looked a little bit better, but we're doing something different. Doing something different. I love it. Yeah. I'm in love. I feel like a grown woman. I feel like this was one of the best decisions that I made. Not to do any baby hairs. I just feel like it's real grown. It gives off a real grown. The lace, this is my third time wearing this wig, so the lace is kind of, it's not looking so great. It could have looked better, but yeah, I don't know. My cousin would have done a better job. I truly feel like she would have done a better job, but we gotta work with what we gotta work with. Yeah. Hey guys, so just reached at my cousin's and baby girl is jet out. Oh my gosh, she not there. She gonna go do a little facial and whatever. But it's my baby's 27th birthday. So I think I told you guys we're going to Strawberry Hills for dinner. And up that side it's kind of raining a little bit. Hopefully the rain cools down. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna show you guys her little outfits, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfits. So cute. Yeah. So now I'm gonna set up my stuff now. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna put on my eye patches to wake these eyes up. As you guys can see, I'm gonna put on my eye patches, and then she's pretty much set up over in her corner. Let me show you guys what her corner looks like. So this is what her corner is looking like. Her little chair and whatever. So guys, I'm trying to do my hair. I just pulled up my hair, but I feel like I don't like how it looks. You guys saw like how I got it last night. I wrought it as you guys saw, I wrought it. And it's just not giving me the same thing, especially on both sides. Then one side is giving like a trashy, I don't know. I have no idea what to do. So apparently I didn't wrap it properly with the rods. I guess, I don't know. Thank God she has a hot phone because I don't know what I would have done. I don't know. So she's on her way, and instead of when she's on her way, or when she reach at them time, then I pull down my hair and stuff like that. So alright, let me just do that from now. So get myself partially ready. So when she come, we literally just, she probably just cool down, and we just get to business. I don't know how the back looks. You guys tell me how the back looks. We alright? It's gonna have to work. So good. I look good and I feel good. Oh my gosh. Like, this is the color that I would want to dye my hair in. I want to color my hair in this color. It's so good. Bear in mind, my face is washed already. Face is washed. Face is washed. It's just sweaty. Okay, it's just sweaty. So I'm just drying off the excess moisture that I have on my face. I truly believe that I'm one of those girls who do not have to put on a mug of makeup to look good. I don't care what nobody has to say. I believe it. My face is moisturized because my face is easy to get dry. I'm gonna get really oily after this, yes, but everything says oil free, but is it really? And to my dearest hairstylist cousin who's watching this, I'm so sorry that I cheated on you. I'm so sorry. I would never do it again. Never, ever, 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 ever. Never, no matter how close they are to me, never. Oh my gosh, never. I love you very much. One straight piece. I'm not even paying no mind right now, I promise. Who's there? Hello, I must say a light bill you pay. I must say a light bill you pay.
So what I have to do? Please.
Just me must say a light bill you pay.
Alright,
Ray, get the face done and all this.
Mommy said 2 grand, you think? That's what you said 2 grand, and shine.
I think so. But me must say you have to get the something there though. That's a highlight, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so.
Not to understand everything.
No, so she you just have to understand with that. You're good though.
Thank you. So, how are you here?
Moisturize my face and fix my wig.
Oh, yeah, she can't play good.
Yeah. So guys, we just finished our get ready with me. Listen! Listen. The girls stress me right out. But we're ready and waiting on our ride. So we're just here waiting, and then I have to go take some pictures of her. I don't really feel pictury. I really feel like it's a myself. But I will get back to you guys when we are at the dinner. So later. Guys, we are at our destination. Listen, these steps and these heels are not working out for me. It is so beautiful over here. Oh my gosh. Good night. Good night, good night. Wow. This is like a perfect date night spot. Shouldn't I say, should I somewhere where we can wear shoes?
Okay. The first here.
You want to take a picture of this, sir? Alright guys, so we are at dinner. I'm gonna be a bit dark for the rest of the night because I left my lights in the car, so I'm using my phone lights. guys, hey. So of course I'm home. It was a really good evening. Hobby and I, the kids are sleeping, so Hobby and I are just watching the Lord's light show that he has going on. I like to watch the lightning when it's far away, when it's not coming down the ground. Yeah, I like that. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Share the vlog. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.